Hi friends, this is Chetna from LIMS Learn in Minutes. Today we'll see the next part of respiratory system. In the previous part we have learned about the organs of respiration. In that we have seen nose, larynx, pharynx, lungs, tonsils, trachea, bronchial trees. Today we will learn about the respiration, the process of respiration. So basically respiration consists of three steps. First inspiration, then expiration, alveoli, where the exchange of gases takes place. Let's see one by one. Inspiration. Air from the atmosphere is taken in. This action is called inspiration. The inspired air via the nose, pharynx, larynx, and bronchi reaches the alveoli. In the alveoli, the exchange of gases takes place. O2 is taken in and CO2 is given out by the blood. And in expiration, the CO2 collected in the alveoli is removed by the lungs by the act of expiration. In the diagram, you can see the difference between inspiration and expiration. Simply by its name, inspiration, the air is going inside, and expiration, air is expelling out. So in inspiration, thoracic cavity expands, whereas in the expiration, thoracic cavity reduces. In the inspiration, both external intercostal muscles contract as well as diaphragm is also contracts. And in the expiration, diaphragm and external intercostal muscles relaxes. This is in detail close view of the inspiration and expiration, where the diaphragm flattens in the inspiration and diaphragm domes up in the expiration, that is in the normal position. So let's look at diaphragm. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscular structure which separates the thoracic cage from the abdomen. The lungs rest on this diaphragm. It flattens down during inspiration. Phrenic nerves from cervical upper segment of spinal cord control this movement of diaphragm. At the same time, the intercostal muscles which lie in between the ribs contract. This results in the raising of the thoracic cage and an increase in the capacity of the thoracic cavity. This in turn results in air being sucked in, which expands the lungs. After the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, the diaphragm goes back to its normal position, that is dome shape, and so does the thoracic cage. This causes a decrease in the thoracic capacity, and as a result, the lungs get compressed and carbon dioxide is exhaled out. This is the figure of diaphragm with the inferior view. Now control of respiration. Respiration is controlled by the respiratory center in the medulla oblongata, which is situated in the brain of the central nervous system. The regulation of frequency, rate and depth of respiration is achieved by chemical control. The respiratory center in the medulla is sensitive to the pH of the blood. The carbon dioxide in blood changes its pH to acidic and stimulates the respiratory center. The rate of respiration in newborn is 40 per minute, and in adults it is between 15 to 20 per minute. Vital capacity. The volume of air that can be made to pass into the lungs and out of it by forcible inspiration and expiration is called vital capacity. In a normal man, it is 4 to 5 liters, and in a woman, it is 3 to 4 liters. Thank you.